Okay guys, today I'm going to be show you a tutorial how to make a tornado siren. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload. And so, right now, we're going to make a tornado siren. So
This is on the PS4.
You can build it on the iPad, the PS4, phone that I'm recording on. Whatever you have. You also the Nintendo Switch if Minecraft's even on the Nintendo Switch. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys see real quick. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you build 6, or you can build 6 or 12. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Die skeleton. 7. I'm gonna be doing 7. You can do whatever one you want. Okay, so then you do that. You're supposed to put 8. That's 5. That's 9. That's 8. So now you put the redstone torch right here and here. It should be looking like a. If you delete the redstone first, it looks like a tornado. I filled those two, and then now we need to break this. But the redstone, it should be doing this. This is totally normal. Then you grab your note block that you have, and brother, here's your item. Redstone torch, redstone dust, note block, a lever, aka lever, end rod, and light gray concrete. You can choose whatever concrete you want. You can do iron, diamond, whatever. Then you grab your note block if you have the items. I'll give you a second. Oh, you got it now? Okay, so then you grab your note block, you put it right here on the redstone, right here. There. That's totally normal. It still does that, and the note block's not activating. You put it wherever side. Should be that side. Should be doing that. Should be all good. Then you grab your lever. Your AK lever. Wait, did you get it? Yeah. Okay, you did. Grab your lever. You can turn it off whenever you want. Or whenever you do. Grab your end rod. Wait, did they give you no time? Okay, let me wait a couple more seconds. Okay, I think you got it. Now, boom, 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 boom. Should be looking like this. Now you grab your whatever block you want, put it on that, and you do that. Here is that. The tornado siren has been complete. You can do that. Wait, you can put blocks around here. Then you put sirens right there. You put a block you put a block like right here, you know, it's all different stuff, but here's all the regular way. You can do it this way. Okay, where is it? Oh, right here. You can do it this way if you want to. This way, or this way. You can do whatever way you want, and this way. And you can turn it off whenever you want. So turn it off. It's not broken. You can see. You can turn it right back on. Please, if you didn't already, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And bye bye, guys. Bye.